Let's create a template for people to be able to use to select their quest. We'll copy the add directive method, and inside of the APL link, we'll change it to quest list. Inside of our app folder, copy the first list and paste it in there and change the name to quest list. That way our link for our directive actually leads to the quest list APL documents. Run your Jovo server again and let's test. Make sure we didn't break anything. We didn't break anything. Now let's add the front end capabilities so that way we can actually use this inside of the Alexa development console and test it on our devices. Copy the show template intent, and now let's just change it up by copying the name of the intent we want to use. And let's create a couple sample phrases. These are phrases you think you're designing the front end experience of how a customer or a gamer is going to interact with our app to pick a quest. What is it you would want them to say in order to reach this page of your app? Pick a quest, new game. Those are a couple good options. And this time we don't need any inputs, so we'll just delete that part. Build out your Jovo language model by running Jovo build. And let's go back to the Alexa console and update the file we've got as our language model. Go inside of Platforms, Alexa Skill Models, and then drag and drop, save and build. And let's check out that new intent we have, quest choice intent. It has the sample phrases, the sample utterances already defined. Make sure that our debugger is all connected, and let's test it out by going to the test tab and plugging in our invocation name. Pick a quest to see if it worked. When we scroll down, we actually see that we got the right response from our dialog. And down below, we are getting the basic list template for that intent. To change up what we're getting for that screen, go into the data sources.json file inside of the new folder we created for quest list. Change the first item in the list to dragon quest, and then add some primary text to slay the dragon. Oh, for our secondary test, we'll have slay the dragon. For our primary test, make it dragon quest. The primary text will define each of our quests, and the secondary text will define what the quest is about. The tertiary text is going to define the amount of experience a guest or a gamer gets by beating the quest. Now we've actually got that dragon quest outputting onto our front end like we wanted. Let's set up the mountain quest by changing the text to mountain quest in mountain. We'll change the secondary text to describe the quest of racing to the top of the mountain. And the experience, we'll make this one higher, 228 XP. Down at our images, we'll paste a couple of links that I found on a Google search to get some images of a mountain. Great, we've got mountains, we've got dragons. I updated the last one real quick. Now we've got pyramids. Let's change that background image and some of the text up top. Now it says choose your quest with a voice first logo. We've got all of the quests. Last thing we want to update is a background. Great. With a Mario background, our game is good to go.